Hi everyone, welcome back to RTS, and what are we going to do today? Well, we are simply going to talk about a new series coming up. It's going to be called 4 for 4 series, and the intro video will be right after this. And so I thought I would post the intro video before our actually kit building because that whole video got so long. So the intro video will be up on Sunday, and on Tuesday is when we're going to start building our kit. So this is just a little intro as to what the new series is going to be about, what we're going to do, the fun we're going to have. Okay, so stay tuned. The intro is coming. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to RTS, and what are we going to do today? We're going to start a new series. Yes, so excited, so excited. I had fun putting this together. So what are we going to do? Well, first of all, we're going to accomplish 4 things, and the number 4 will be repeated many times in this series. Okay, so what are we going to do? Well, we're going to reduce the spending because we're going to use what we already have in our inventory. We're going to revamp the skills because we're going to learn something new, which you know I love. And then we're going to record the story because we're going to get some scrapbooking in. And then we're going to do the ready to send category because we're going to get some card making in. So yeah, so excited. Now what we're going to do is we're going to call this series 4 for 4. Yes, 4 for 4. Because what we're going to do is we're going to make 4 layouts and we're going to make 4 cards. And then within our layouts, we're going to increase the number of photos as we go. Meaning layout 1 will have 1 photo, layout 2 will have 2 photos, layout 3 will have 3 photos, and then of course layout 4, 4 photos. 4, 4, 4. Okay, so that is going to be so much fun. I'm so excited. So now some of you are going to say, oh, I'm a 2-page gal. That's okay. Don't worry, because I'm going to tell you what to do, because this is going to be according to your style. Whether you do 1 pages or 2 pages, we got that covered. And then also to what your kit when we build is going to be according to your style. And if you need any help along the way, you know what to do. Just leave me a comment and I will help whatever I can do. So here's what we're going to do. Today is Tuesday, so what we're going to do is we're going to build a kit today. Okay, so then on Thursday we're going to make layout 1, and then on Saturday we're going to make layout 2, and then next week on Tuesday we'll make layout 3, and then again on Thursday layout 4, and then on Saturday of next week we're going to make our 4 cards. Okay, so it's going to be a 2-week series, and that's what we're going to do. And you don't have to worry about writing anything down. I'll have it either in a document form, or I'll just have it listed below and you can copy and paste and go that route. Okay, so I want to say something about photos right off the bat, because I know as soon as you're building a kit, the first question we say is, oh, what are we doing for photos? Okay, photos you can do one of 3 ways. As you're building your kit, and of course it's going to be according to your style and what's going on in your life, and maybe there's a group of photos you want to work on. So you can use, start with your photos and build your kit according to that. Or 2, you can go ahead and pick out your kit and then say, well, I don't really know, but you find a category. We just print them in black and white. Okay, or 3, what you can do is keep following along, do everything as we're going to do it as far as the kit and the layouts, and then just leave room for your photos, and then you can always add them later after the series. Any which way you want to do it is fine. Now right now I have my kit done, but I don't know what photos yet. I still have to be thinking about that. So I just want to go over our kit building today, and then when I'm done I'll probably go look at my photos. Okay, or I might go back to some previous load events and look at my prompts and see what sparks. It all depends. I mean, we looks like we have some, within my kit. I kind of have to get a decision made there. So what we're going to do then is we're going to make some layouts, and here's why this will be good for everybody, no matter what your style is, because my style may not be your style, and that's perfectly fine. Okay, and if you're a 2-page gal, don't worry, we got you covered. Okay, and the next thing I want to bring up is that our page designs will be basic pages, but then you're going to make it your own by what we add in. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So I will come back and we're going to start about how we're going to build the kit, and then you can see what I did, put everything on pause, and then you can go build your kit. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. And I think, yes, and then we're going to go over the supplies, other than just with the kit, and then also the supplies. So everything you need will be like in one pile, and you're not going to need a lot of stuff. Okay, so hang on, and I will come back, and we're going to talk about how we're going to build our kit step by step. And remember, the number 4 is going to keep popping up. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, that's the intro to our new series, and our first video will be coming up on Tuesday, where we are going to talk about building our kit and talking about our embellishments, and then actually start cutting into our papers. So come back to Tuesday and see what we're going to do at RTS, because you never know what we're going to learn. Bye.